tested this enough so I can prove it to you. 1-inch webbing. This is the cheap shit. But it still works. Tie your favorite knot up on top rung, up high, thread through the loops of the handlebars, back up to the other side. And from here, it's just a matter of you pulling it up to the height that you want and tying the knot that you want. Grab the bar right above the tire, lift up, one hand, then pull down on the webbing. The webbing holds really good. Level it off. Now, I'm not using much pressure at all. Look at this. Fingers, 2 fingers, pinky and a thumb, pinky and this. Hold this up. I've got it tied up. That's the secret of the 1-inch webbing. Now, all you gotta do is tie your knot that you like to tie, that you're comfortable with. Rig it however you want. It doesn't matter. You can get creative, you can get funky, use a trucker's hitch, whatever you want. Boom. I'm wrapped up. I got a little safety on the handlebars here, and I'm good to go. This is so awesome. Here you go. Check it out. Nice and strong, secure. Anything you have. I tried it prior on 1/2-inch conduit. Okay, right here. This is just a almost 6 foot, 5.5 foot piece of 1/2-inch EMT. I mean, seriously, anything you can physically fit underneath there, it'll support off of this side of the ladder and this side of the ladder. And then to me, that's like at hip height, 3 feet. Just call it 3 feet. That's where you're looking at, right there. And now everything's up. You can work on it. I am 9 or 10 inches or more up off the floor. Look at this. Look at that. I've got access through the ladder to go through the gears, pedal, everything I need. And this thing is sturdy AF. You've got access to everything. Anything you want to work on here, anything you want to clean, anything you want to adjust, tighten. I think y'all say this is sick as fuck. This is solid as fuck. Look at this. You put the bar at the rear of the ladder. The center, the weight of the rear wheel and motor is behind the center of the weight of this. Everything is balanced. This is balanced as good as a BMW. Now you can clean it, do whatever you need to do. Look at those wheels. Doesn't get any safer or better or easier than this. All right, man, I gotta go. See ya.